Hi gang, time for another big lesson from my upcoming book, Calisthenics for Beginners, out April 14th. There's a pre-order link for Amazon down below in the description, or if you're watching this on Instagram, of course it's in my bio. But I wanted to share with you a lesson that's very pertinent for today's environment, because we got so much doom and gloom going around. Plus, I know a lot of people are now working out indoors and they've got, for the first time, access to bodyweight equipment or workouts. And they're like, I'm just going to work out all the time. Hold on for that, because as I write here, yes, training can be a real challenge. And sure, there are going to be times when you're pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. However, such occasions are supposed to be the exception rather than the norm. Acute, short-term moments of stress can stimulate change. On the other hand, chronic mental and physical stress will depress that stimulus and prevent your body from changing very much at all. And that goes for more than just the stress in your workouts and just overdoing things, but also the stress you have from everyday life. You're watching all the doom and gloom stuff on the news, you're stressing out about coronavirus and stuff. All that stuff is going to hold you back. So it's not actually stress that's going to be the best thing. It's about having a short burst of stress or stimulus to the body, and then a lot of recovery. And I've got a lot of recovery tactics and exercises in this book that I've never published in any other books. And I'll be sharing those in future days as well. But remember, stress is short, recovery is long. Try to keep that in mind on this interesting times that we're facing. Thoughts and questions below? Be fit, live free.